These fucking slackers. Every one of them. Good morning, metalheads. A little bit of a gloomy day. Oh, got a squirrel. But, like I promised, we'll get back to this, metal roller here. I'll get you all set up. Guess we can talk you through what we got going here. Real quick. This end is pretty close to flat, but not quite flat enough. Fuck you, bitch, your mom's flat. And like I said, these rollers here are going to cap this off. And then, I haven't got my head this morning, so forgive me. These pieces that I was showing you here can go up in here. So that roller should sit like that. It's a good thing I didn't make those too long because they almost don't. They almost run into there. Good thing they don't. Oh man. See how much that warped kind of? Have to bend that piece back a little bit. It's probably just from getting cold after being all hot yesterday. But yeah. Let's get to it. I guess first things first, I can kind of like go back and some of y'all had some comments on the last video. I guess I can kind of elaborate more on. YouTube channel, that is coming. I want to set one up. I got one for my other stuff, like music stuff back in the day, but I'm going to set up like a totally different channel for this. That's just not really on like, my top priorities of things to do during my daytime, I spend a lot of time doing this stuff. I stop this show frequently to go, check out my son, make sure that he's not getting into too much when he's inside. I try to let him out here as much as possible, but when I'm welding, I really don't like him out here. I don't want to like look up and just see him kind of just like staring at the sparks or something. So yeah, that's YouTube is coming up. I've got a couple different other projects to go along with this show's theme, I guess. You guys already know about the Merc. I don't know how much I've shown online, but I got a flatbed I'm building. It's out of a 76 Dodge camper, like an RV. I got that pretty much tore apart. I'll show you guys that a little bit later. And yeah. So YouTube is coming. Buddy of mine from back in high school was talking about he's getting into welding too, so that's freaking rad. I just been dinking around here for probably 3-4 years now, maybe 5. Yeah, it's a learning process for sure. Like, it's kind of, I think already I had kind of a mindset to build kind of stupid stuff like this, but to be able to actually like put it into practice and do stuff is a whole different thing. So that's like fun to get into. Yeah. So I mean, there's gonna be stuff on here where it's like you're gonna see me learn as I'm doing it, where it's like, oh, that's different. But I guess that's all part of the fun, right? So yeah, first things first, I guess. Oh, thanks everybody for not telling me about the bomb that I had right here the whole time. Go back and watch the other video. There's a propane tank here the whole time. I decided to move it halfway through. Yeah. Anyways, we're all good to go. All right. Get my pen. Crack it on. All right. Maybe I have to run inside. We'll be back. All right, got the pen. So first things first. I think I'm just gonna go through first. I've only got 2 of the rollers. I gotta go cut the 3rd one off of another project. But I think first things first. I'm just gonna go through, mark everything, make sure everything's all squared up. It's probably the best bet. Don't want to take too much off this side because, like I said, this one was pretty clean already. I just wanted to kind of get this edge So if it sets a little bit flatter, I can fill this gap here with like weld. But if it sets flush here, we'll be good. I'm gonna bring you in and show you what I'm doing here. So I don't have. This is my longest roller, and it's 32 inches, but it's 32 inches to there. So I'm just kind of gonna square that off the best I can, and then we'll go from there. That's where we're gonna end up capping it with a roller, anyways. So sorry. Okay. So to learn how to handle my phone. Okay, that one's gonna be the shortest one. Gotta go take a measurement of the other one real fast. I might as well grab it while I'm out there. I'll be right back.